Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. While we're on the slow end of things, dealing with the maintenance stuff, I've really had a chance to actually go ahead and start working on my Christmas lights. And right here, oops, I can't, my drawer is open. I'm going the wrong way. But here, and I mean, there, you see it, right? The star behind me? Well, that big old star, that's a 24-inch star. It's not that big, but got 80 pixels on that thing. That's to go on top of my Christmas tree, which is going to have 600 lights on it, pixels. And then I have the two snowflakes, which used to be back there, but now they're in the storage room because I've already started sequencing and seeing how those are going to react to different effects, so I know what to expect when they're out there in the yard. I haven't done a Christmas light video in a while, but I am going to talk about those snowflakes and how I hooked up a 20-foot extension cord. 20 feet, not that big. I mean, it really isn't. It's from my room's about 20 feet. I think it's 15 and some odd this way and that way, but just that distance, I was having problems with certain LEDs, and they were WS2811s for those who know about those, but that's a certain type of bulb that's in the LED, or the chip that drives the LED. So I had the snowflake running, and it was just flickering and flickering, and I was like, man, not another power issue. So I actually hooked up a piece of extension cord that was 10 gauge and hooked it to it, and it still did the same thing. It wasn't getting the data that it needed. So, without further ado, thank you, Falcon. Bam! These are called F-amps, and they saved me so much trouble. These things are, I think I paid $25 for 5, which is, dude, it saves the day. Now I can go like 40 feet almost 40 feet, almost double the thing. So let me explain to you why I'm so crazy about this little thing right here. It looks just like a pixel. It is epoxied in. It's got the Falcon logo there. This camera's not going to focus unless I put something big in front of it or something. I don't know. I don't think it's going to focus. It's still focusing on my head. But it says ground data and voltage, and it shows you the area of data in travels. So these don't act like regular pixels. So if you add this into your extension cord, then they won't act like a normal pixel. It's unexistent. It's just a piece that goes into your extension cord. Okay, so let me explain what you do with these. First of all, you can put these coming out of the controller to the extension cord that you want to go 20 feet or further with, and it will amp the signal. These amps the signal coming from the controller so it can go down longer distances. I had that problem, then I hooked this in, and what I did was I went ahead and I soldered pigtails, a male and a female, onto this. So if I ever needed to remove them, they wouldn't be permanently soldered into the extension cord. And then the male end would plug into the extension cord, a female would come out, or whatever, however. So that's what I did with these, with 2 of them. And I still have 4, so I had 6. So that's what they look like. They're just really simple amps that amp the signal. And if you are having distance problems in your light show, if you are a person who does light shows, these are great freaking things. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below to a couple different people. And one of them is going to be for sure Falcon, and the other one will be CanispaterChristmas, because when I saw his videos, I was like, wow, there's an F-amp? And then that took me to Falcon. So big thank you to you, Jeff. His name is Jeff also. I'm not thanking myself. But I'm going to leave a link in the description for his channel. Maybe even pop one up maybe pop up a leaflet up here, up right there, and go check out his channel if you're interested in the Christmas light stuff. He makes really funny intros and stuff like that, and I think these things are awesome, guys. So they're called F-amps. These were back ordered. I'm not surprised that they're not back ordered, because a lot of people catching on to this stuff, man. This is saving a lot of people some hassle, man. I wanted to put the snowflakes on one window and then all the way on the other side of my house. And the tree's in the middle, so I was going to split the difference with the controller, because the controller's on a tree. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Last year, year before that, this year, blah, blah. Well, this year, yes. Yeah, this year, with these, we got you. We got you. And who's to say that you can't use 2 of these in line? So let's say you go 20 feet, you go 40 feet, you start having a problem again, and you stick this on the 40 feet, you probably get another 20 feet. Who knows? It might be grabbing that signal if you're lucky. Sometimes you'll probably have to, the power is probably going to be the issue at those distances more than the signaling will be. But this has saved the day. Thank you, Falcon. Thank you, Jeff at CanispaterChristmas. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm kind of mad-libbing that at the moment. But his link, Falcon's link, where to get these are in the link description below. Guys, when the time comes, I know it's early. It's like I'm supposed to be saying Happy Halloween right now because it's 10/1 today. And these things are amazing. But when the time comes, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you on the next one.